What Lies Beneath Media launched and hashtag What Lies Beneath Secrets Unveiled. We would love to know what you think, so please show your love and support for the creators of the show, our directors, and our cast members as well. Pero you know what? Hindi ko na patatagalin pa dahil ito na ang hinihintay nating lahat. We would like to present to you the creators and the cast members of What Lies Beneath. Starting off with our head writer, Benson Logroño, and our creative producer, Aragel Batayos. We also have our director, Froy Alan Leonardo. And Direk Dado Lumibao. Let's welcome to the red carpet, Reyes Matias. And Yves Flores. Jameson Blake. J.M. de Guzman. Jake Cuenca. And now for our female leads, Charlie Dizon. We have with us Kayla Estrada. Sue Ramirez. right outside right now. And after the group photo, we would like to invite our friends from the media to come back in and resume to their seats so that masimulan na natin ang chikahan natin with the cast because this is going to be an exciting conversation at maraming pasabog na reveal talaga. What secrets do you think will be unveiled tonight? Ang cast lang natin, writers and directors, ang makakapag-splook niyan para sa atin today. Kaya naman, marami tayong pag-uusapan. Mahaba pa ang gabi, kaya please, do come back into the room, resume, and take your seats. Enjoy your refreshments first, a little bit of snacks. Because in just a few minutes, we will get to talk to the cast and the creators. And I'm sure everyone is excited na magbato ng tanong para sa kanila. Okay, let's make sure everyone is here because you would not want to miss the viewing of this official trailer. I don't want to spoil anything. I got a peep a while ago at excited ako para sa inyo. It's something na parang something to look forward to as another genre in the Philippines. Alright, I believe we are more or less complete. Kaya ngayon, let's all watch this, the official trailer of What Lies Beneath.
We wanted to honor a friend who passed away.
Di ba, Lisa? Gusto mo na ganito house? Ready po gawa na tayo para sa ating lima.
Pinapagawa namin Ben at makinig niya sina Alice at Ben ang bahay kung saan daw sila sama-sama tatanda at magre-retire.
Kung nandito ko sana si sa ngayon, kasama sana natin siya na.
Sino to? Si Edmundo, yung unang pinakulong. Past.
14 years ago, ito raw sa street na to, nakita si Luis Soria. Mga kaibigan niya, patay. Naslas ang leeg.
Always has a way of haunting us.
Yung suot mo araw na yun, hindi yung suot ng lalaking pumatay kay Luisa.
Alam mo kung sino pumatay kay Luisa Soria?
But what if the accused
Sabihin na natin na si Edo ang nakita natin pumatay kay Luisa.
becomes the victim of lies? Nakabuo na kayo na sarili-sarili ng buhay. Pinagsisisihan niya maging minsan. Sinira niya sa akin.
Pupulutin ka sa pasaran.
Kasi tapos yung mga dapat yung buhay.
Ang sabi ng mga bata, yung lalaki na mahulog sa kanila, nakasuot ng kapatid. Di ba yun din yung suot ng pumatay kay Luisa? Sino yung lalaki?
Ibibita ko kay kapatid ko na gumawa ng ganyan sa labas. Habang nasa loob ng bagong bahay kung saan niya siya pinakulong.
Stop acting like ako ang may kasalanan.
Ang malinaw ngayon nasa paligid lang siya. Inaalam ang tungkol sa inyo.
Kung yung malaya dapat.
Pinapalikan ni Edo lahat ng inatraso sa kanya. That means tayo may susunod niya.
It's time to unearth the truth.
Ay, papayag, susunod pa sa akin.
Sabi na gusto niya, kasi ka na mess with our heads bago niya tayo patayin lahat.
Ikaw ang susunod. What lies beneath?
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the official trailer. Heart-stopping talaga. What lies beneath? Kinilabutan din ba kayo doon? Grabe, di ba? There's so for two talaga. And hello to Team Online. Welcome back mga kapamilya. We are still streaming live via RCD Narratives on the Facebook page and the other kapamilya pages as well. And kung ano man yung reaction and comments, feedback nyo sa napanood po ninyo, please use our official hashtags What Lies Beneath Media Launch and hashtag What Lies Beneath Secrets Unveiled. Now, before we move forward to our program, I would like to acknowledge the presence of some very instrumental people who have made this show possible and is here today. So let's give it up for our business unit head of RCD Narratives, Ms. Rona de la Serna. Hello, Ms. Rona. And of course, our head of marketing, Miko del Rosario. We also have with us our writers of What Lies Beneath, Chief Loresca, Joanna Bana, and Akim del Rosario. And with us also today is the head of ABS-CBN Corporate Communications, Mr. Kane Cho. And full support din po ang Netflix sa atin today because with us is Francis Romero and Isa Singson. So thank you so much for the privilege of having that platform. Today, the truth steps into the light, and in just a short while, we will uncover the stories behind the suspense, the secrets behind the friendships, and the truth buried beneath every lie. We are thrilled to have all of you here as